Namaskara Vikshakre, Pranam Satya and hello fellow sapiens, you are watching Motortraveler Akshay from this side of the video. Today we are going to make an unboxing video. It's not an unboxing but many unboxings actually. I have got some cameras and accessories from my cousins in the US. So they were coming to India and I thought that I'll get some cameras from them and their accessories also, so that it helps me in my motoring and traveling videos. So let's go ahead and unbox them and see what we have in store for us today. Well, I guess you know that already from the thumbnail of this video. Okay, so let's get on to it right away. The first item that I'm going to unbox is the Insta360 Go 3S, and this is the 128GB version. Yeah, you can see my reflection there, all shiny and glossy because there is a polythene cover on this box, and this is a sealed box, a sealed unit. This is not unsealed. As you might all know, there are some restrictions to bring electronic items from US to India, and there are quite a few custom rules and all that, and there is a limit in the US dollars which you have to comply to. So this is this one costs lesser than $600 or $650. That is the amount range that can be brought into India without unsealing the box. So this one is a cheaper item, so this one could be brought in without unsealing it. So this is completely sealed and new. The other camera that I've got, that is the DJI Osmo Action 3, that had to be unsealed, unpacked, and then brought in. So let's go ahead and do the honors. Okay. So on this box, you have all the details of what is there in the box and what are the features and everything. So it's a very light, tiny cam, that's what it is called. So 39 grams, as you can see here, the unit with the camera unit with its base unit, and this is 4K. So previously there was an Insta360 Go 3 which didn't have 4K video capturing capabilities, but this one has 4K. So the S got added onto it. So this is one of the recent models. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox. I wouldn't go much into the details of what is there on the box because there are many videos that give that. This is just an unboxing video, sharing my happiness with you guys. Okay. Come on. Okay, it takes quite a bit of an effort to unbox. Okay. So we have a box here inside. Should be some tools and documentation, I'm not sure. And here you go. This is the camera itself, right? And okay, this says this is a user guide. All the required instructions here. Let me keep that aside. So there are quite a few accessories that are packaged along with the camera in this box. So that is the good part here, but I have got some extra accessories, as I've got the action bundle, and action bundle includes some extra accessories. I'll go ahead and show you guys those accessories too. So the camera itself, this is pretty tiny, not as it seems to be in the videos from other YouTubers, the reviews and stuff. This is very tiny when compared to any other action cam. I'm saying the whole unit along with the base unit. Okay, so this is the camera, which I think needs to be, yeah, there is a button here, so I need to press that and remove it. Yes, so this is the camera. The reason for me to get this camera is that it has many advantages. This is a magnetic base that it has, and I can affix onto my chest using some necklace that is included in the box, and I can also affix this onto any surface that I want. As I said, this is magnetic, and also there are multiple bases which can be used to affix this onto multiple places, like the hat or onto the windshield of the car, using different clamps and clips. So that is the advantage that this holds, and since this is very tiny, it becomes very convenient also. And now this has 4K, which is an added advantage, and this one has a swivel screen also, as you can see. So it becomes very convenient. And when the camera unit is out like this, the video that is being recorded here can be seen live on this screen, though it is separated. So that's another advantage. Let's see what other accessories we get here. So this is a rubber base, I think, which gets stuck onto any surface. It's a sticky mount basically. You remove the sticker and it sticks onto any smooth surface like the glass or very smooth painted metal and stuff like that. So I think it can get affixed onto any glossy surface. And here is the quarter-inch screw over which you use this particular clamp, which is a swivel head. This swivel head, basically this can swivel in multiple directions, and this again is magnetic and it clamps on. It has clips to hold the camera unit, and the quarter-inch screw can get screwed onto this swivel clamp, and this can be stuck anywhere. So that's what this does. The next accessory is this pendant. As I was telling you earlier that this is kind of a necklace which I can wear, and this is a magnetic, this has a magnetic base. You wear this under your shirt and then the camera gets affixed onto this base using the magnets. It can be affixed either in horizontal position or vertical position for whatever reason that you want. YouTube long format videos or reels or shorts can be done in any orientation. So that's the advantage of this one. And the last but not the least, this one is again a clip which can be clipped on to any thinner surfaces like the hat or some thick cards. So the camera unit here gets magnetically stuck onto this one. These are the accessories. Let's go ahead and unbox the other accessories that we have. Now let's see what's there in this box. Hopefully it's some documentation, I'm not sure. Okay, there is a charging cable and nothing else over this side, and yeah, some documentation over here. That's what it is. And there is a sticker too. Yes, I got this when I bought the Insta360 X3. So nice. Okay, let me place them back. Now let's move on to the unboxing of the accessories of this camera that I got with the action bundle. And I've also got a carry case which was not part of the action bundle. So let me unbox that as well for you guys. Let's see what unfolds. So all these are the accessories that I got with the action bundle of Insta360 Go 3S. So this is an extra item that I purchased. This is not a part of action bundle because I wanted to store my camera in a safe and secure case. So that's where I got this one. So this one is the magnet pendant safety cord. That's what we get with the action bundle. And then there is a screen protector, a vertical and horizontal mount set, and a mic wind muff, or the Deadcat as it is called. So I'll just unbox these quickly and show you what's inside. Okay, so I quickly unboxed all the accessories, and you can see these are the accessories that came with it. So this is the safety cord, and the camera gets into this rubber sleeve, and this cord can be tied on to anything so that the camera is safe. This is quite a lengthy cord, but I would have liked it better if it was a bit more lengthier. This is the case. As you can see, there are all the options of storing the camera and its accessories over here. So it's quite good. It is basically a fabric case, and it's quite well built. So these are the vertical and the horizontal mounts which can be used with any GoPro mounts. As you can see, if you know how the GoPro gets mounted on. So these are similar kind of clamps, and you can bolt it onto any GoPro mount. And this one is a screen protector, and it comes with a protector application kit. As you can see, there are two screen protectors provided. And this is the wind muff for the Deadcat for the microphone. The microphone is right under the lens, so you can see that shape cut out here. So there are 4 Deadcat units provided with it. So that's it for the Insta360 Go 3S. Now let's hop on to the unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So this is how the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is packaged, and I have got the creator combo specifically so that I get a lot of accessories along with this package. So this is an unsealed box. As I've explained it to you already, this was brought in from US, and as you can see, there are quite a bit of details and all the items in the box that has been explained here. I wouldn't go into the details of this. Okay, let's get on to it right away. As I open, I can first see the kit itself. It's all well packaged in a cover. This is very good packaging actually, but this is not the first unboxing, I'm sorry. Wow. This soft case seems to be of very good quality. Of course, it comes in from DJI, and I also own 2 items from DJI already. One is the drone, the Mini 4 Pro, and the other one is the DJI Osmo Mobile 6, which is a mobile gimbal. So yeah, they are quite good that way in quality. Let's open this zipper, and yeah, the first thing you will notice is the Pocket 3 camera itself. Yes, this is quite nice. Wow, this feels very good in the hand. So this is a camera with the mechanical gimbal, and it also has 1-inch sensor. So that helps in capturing very good and stable quality videos in low light as well. Okay, let me keep this aside. It doesn't stand, does it? Okay, it does. And then we have the DJI Mic 2, which comes in with this package with the creator combo. And then we have the battery handle, I guess. This provides some extra juice to the device. So when I get this fixed onto the Osmo Pocket 3 like this, it provides me some extra battery there. The next one would be the tripod. Yeah. So this is a tripod. And then, okay, I doubt if this will be of any use to me. This is a extender to the camera, the Osmo Pocket 3. You can extend this and then use this quarter-inch screw hole to mount it onto any mounts. That's why this is used. I doubt if I'll use it because I already have the battery extender, and that has the same features with some extra juice battery as well. So I guess I'll be using that more often. And this one is again the Deadcat for the mic, and also a strap for the camera if you want to use that. Let me keep the Deadcat with the mic. There is a charging cable. This is just the silicone gel. Okay, this I believe is the wide angle lens that gets magnetically bolted on to the camera. Yeah. So this is the wide angle lens which gets magnetically bolted on. Let me carefully tuck that away. And I see one more item here. Okay, yeah. So this is the magnetic mount for the DJI mic, wireless mic. It's the mic 2 actually. So yeah, this is quite heavy. Of course, it's a magnet. So this is the magnetic clamp for DJI mic 2. You can just affix it like this. So say there is a piece of cloth or something in between, you just affix it from behind and it gets bolted on there. That is what you get in the creator combo. Let me keep this kit aside, and I think there is a box here. Okay, there are some documentation. That is fine. What does this box have? I think this must be the camera protector or the case. Yeah, and there is nothing else in that box. Yes. So this is the oh wow, this is quite good. So this is the camera case which protects it when you tuck your Osmo Pocket 3 into your pocket. And the feel is quite premium, it's very premium. It's all rubbery and strong as well. So this is how I put it. Yeah, so it gets safely tucked in. Done. You're safe, your lens is safe, the gimbal is safe. I also got this magnetic backpack clip accessory for the Osmo Pocket 3. So let's quickly unbox this and see what we have inside. Okay, it's this way up. Okay, so there is something down below. What is this? Okay, this must be the clamp to hold the camera itself. Yeah, This is a plasticky clamp. So this is the mount, the GoPro mount that I was speaking about earlier. It gets affixed onto this, and this is the magnetic clip. So it's a magnetic surface here. If there is a metal pole or something, you can just fix it onto this like this and go ahead with your vlogging. And this is also a clip. Like if you have the backpack, you can just clip it onto your backpack shoulder strap, and then you are good to go by fixing the camera onto this one. I think it gets fixed like this. Oh, so this is turnable too. Okay, yeah, this is nice. And here goes the camera like this. Yeah, well, this is good. And there is one more item here. What is this? Okay, this is an extra mount. This is a GoPro mount. With a 1/4" screw. So this is good. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and hopefully I'll be able to deliver better quality videos with these cameras and accessories. Thank you. See you in the next one. Ciao.